Hello friends, welcome to Christina Welch Artistry. Today we're going to be working on these cute little penguins. This card was really fun to make, and there's a lot of parts to this too, but not as bad as the last card we did. So first we have their little bodies here that will need to be cut out in black, and then of course the stomachs in white, and it's got all these little accessories, hats and sweaters and wreaths and a Rudolph nose. It's just so fun. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cut out. I'm also going to be using a snowflake panel. I'm going to emboss it though instead of cutting it out, and that's it, emboss. It's really pretty. And that will be our background for these penguins. So right now I'm just ink blending the tummies, putting a little orange on there. It's called Guppy from Simon Hurley, just to give them their little orange bellies. And the sweaters I'm going to be doing with I can't read it. It's tropical. Tropical Tango. I haven't used that very much. So then putting them together is a lot of gluing involved. Lots of gluing. Putting their little feet on. And then this one has little paws come out. So I'm going to stick this in here so his hands, paws, whatever they're called, can hold the object that he'll be holding. And this one is the little silly one. He's cute. And then on this one, he's just plain, isn't he? He doesn't really have anything different with him. So I'm gluing on cheeks in a very, very pale pink, and then their little orange beaks. I didn't really need to put a beak on the one because he's going to be wearing a Rudolph nose. This is a cute set. You can get this set from Spellbinders. They have a lot of cute Christmas sets. And they're very inexpensive compared to most. He's got the little antlers. He's adorable. And the sweater has quite a few components. It's got the little cuffs for the sleeves, and then the neckline of the sweater. I did those with the glitter paper just to give it some extra, you know, because it's holidays. We got to have sparkle. And then on his hat, which is also glitter, I did do a white pearl poof pom-pom. Now I'm going to build a present for this guy to hold. And I have to slide it into those paws. And adding a wreath here to his antler. And of course a bow, a red bow. Get that placed in there. I'm going to have to glue the ribbon back on. Glue his Santa hat on. And that's in red glitter. So I'm going to ink blend the edges on this, just to give it some color. And then we're going to to stamp our sentiment. I did make 5 of these cards. I'll be putting 4 in Etsy. I'm using my beautiful little pressure tool. And my sentiment says, enjoy the holiday. Get my stamp on here quicker than usual since I have the black ink pad out. I'm going to glue this onto the front and let this set for a bit so that the edges don't curl up on me. This is that pearl paper. I really like this pearl paper. I have it in black and in white. It's really pretty. So I'll get my weights on here and let it set. So now we're going to put the card together. Simple little card to put together. Once you have everything done, I'm going to be using some foam tape to pop these up off the surface. Sticky foam tape. I had to mute you for a second. My puppies were starting to fight a little bit. So I put the present boy in the middle and the sweater next to him, and then the reindeer penguin to the right. I thought he was cute. How cute is that? So that's our card for this video. Stay tuned because I'll be having a lot more Christmas cards coming. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.